Hello, Younger Oldie here, and welcome to my channel. I wasn't going to be out tonight for a ride, but the weather, one minute it's been sunny, next minute absolutely torrential rain. It's been like that the last few days. But tonight it's Triumph night, and originally thought, well, you know what, if the weather's going to be bad, I'll give it a miss. But the forecast is now okay for the rest of the evening. It's windy, but probably that's why it's keeping the black clouds away. So anyway, off to Triumph. The main reason for going tonight is they're actually showing their two new 400 bikes they've produced. Okay, granted, not much interest from me, but as an instructor, you know, looking at it from a trainee's point, somebody a bit younger or whatever, and I'm sure there's quite a few people who will be interested. So I thought, you know what, it's an opportunity to make a video, so I'm on my way. Of course, I'm meeting MacBook Mickey and his good lady, and there'll be no doubt a few others to turn up. And here we are, Motorcycle Factory. That's the Scrambler version, 400cc single. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. And this is the speed version. Designed in UK, but built in India, I think. Paintwork's nice.
It is nice, like, it is very pretty. It is gorgeous. Well, that's certainly not. Yeah, that they could be. Yeah, you got the same switch gear, haven't you? It's the same fitting. They're up on.
to come close to record the sound. Couldn't hear them because of over people talking. Skinny back wheel. Pretty good turnout again. Must admit, I thought there might have been a few more just purely to come and look at these new bikes which have been put outside now. But then again, the weather's just been so hit and miss over the last few days. That's probably put a few people off. Okay, mate. See ya. Well, off we go home now. We're lucky with the weather, it's still nice and sunny. I think those two 400s were nice little bikes, but too small for me. But for someone who's on an A2 license, ideal. Or just somebody who wants a smaller, lighter bike, not too much bothered about power. Yeah, good little machine. I certainly wouldn't want to go a long journey touring with my wife, but at the end of the day, the bike's not made for that. I think they've definitely been sort of brought out to take on the likes of Royal Enfield and BSA. I think it was only natural that Triumph do something to tap into that market. I would just like to read out some specs for the bikes. On the 400 speed, it's a liquid cooled 4-valve single cylinder engine, puts it out 39.5 brake horsepower, and it's got 37.5 newton meters of torque at 6,500 revs per minute. The seat height is 790mm. It's got a 13 litre fuel tank and it weighs 170 kilograms. Service intervals are 10,000 miles or 12 months, which is ever the sooner. the Scrambler has actually more or less the same specs. It's just that the seat height is 45mm higher at 835mm, and it's 9 kilogram heavier at 179 kilograms. Apart from that, both bikes are the same. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little video on the two new Triumphs. Well, that sun's a bit bright. Anyway, if you have, please do the ticks, like and subscribe. And as always, take care, ride safe, and bye for now.